There's an interesting phenomena happening in today's longevity landscape. Some of the top influential leaders are out there talking about how they take over 100 different supplements every single day. And that is a big part of what they are really attesting to their longevity. This is ridiculous. I'm just going to call it what it is, because you cannot out-supplement a dysregulated nervous system. And we're living in a time where stress and fear are so prevalent. So let's just think about this basic common sense. The human system is designed to keep us alive. The brain is constantly, the cells, your very DNA, are constantly reading the environment. And they're reading it to say, is it safe for thriving or dangerous for surviving? It's a constant dance, a constant communication. And if the system is in chronic stress, that sympathetic dominance, that foot on the gas pedal of fight or flight, too much, too many demands, not enough rest, not enough resources, always overloaded, anxious, stressed out. That is what's shortening your telomeres. That's what's accelerating your rate and pace of aging. And I don't care how many supplements you take, until you regulate your nervous system, until you bring balance and ease back in. Yes, there's always going to be demands. Yes, we're going to be in sympathetic dominance. And then it's about pumping the brakes, coming back into parasympathetic, where we rest, digest, repair, and connect. Life is always going to be this beautiful state of modulation, of adaptation, of regulation. So take all the supplements you want. They can help to give some nutrients back in. But if you truly want to slow down the rate and pace of aging, if you truly want to live better today for longer tomorrows, connection, safety, nervous system regulation is where you must begin.